Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.